Hello and welcome. In this guide, we'll walk you through the complete process of how to archive all WhatsApp messages at once. Archiving chats is a helpful way to keep your WhatsApp interface clean without permanently deleting any conversations. Whether you're organizing your inbox, hiding old chats, or preparing for a fresh start, archiving all messages at once is a convenient solution. Let's begin. Start by opening the WhatsApp application. Once you're inside the app, look at the top right-hand corner of the screen, and you'll see a three-dot icon. This is the menu button. Tap on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From that menu, select the Settings option. Inside Settings, tap on Chats, which will take you to a screen where various chat-related preferences are available. Scroll down and look for the section titled Chat History. Tap on that, and you'll see several options for managing your conversations. Among them, you'll find the option labeled Archive All Chats. Tap on it. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're sure you want to archive all chats. Confirm your choice by tapping OK. And just like that, all your existing chats will be moved into the archive, clearing your main chat screen instantly. Now, where did your chats go? Don't worry, they haven't been deleted. At the bottom of your main chat list, you'll now see a section labeled Archived. Tap on this to view and access all the chats you've archived. You can open them, read past messages, and even unarchive them if you choose. And that's it. You've now learned how to archive all WhatsApp chats at once. This feature is especially useful if you want to tidy up your WhatsApp without deleting anything important. With just a few taps, you can start fresh while still preserving your entire chat history. Securely stored and ready whenever you need it.